So going with the first hairstyle, first side part your hair into two sections and make sure that your hair is detangled well. Now take your front section of your hair, roll it one by one together and make sure that you take it near to your ears. Once you're done, push it a little and secure it with a tic-tac pin or a bobby pin. Look, that perfect bump looks awesome. Now do the same on the other side. Take small portions of your hair, roll it together and secure it with a bobby pin or a tic-tac pin. Now take all your hair into one side and comb it well. Now I will make a very simple braid that you all guys know. People with long hair cannot lose their hair every time because that's gonna be super annoying to them. So I think a braid will be awesome choice. Make this simple braid till the end. Make sure that you go till the end and secure it with a band. So guys, the basic braid is ready. Now one thing you have to do is to lose the starting, not the ends. This is gonna give you that fishtail and mermaid look, which I loved it. Now there's one hack that I also used. I used these pretty earrings, separated their nibs and secured it in my braid. So this is the very basic and very simple hack, guys. All you girls have these studs in your home. These gonna amp up any look. You don't have to do anything much. Now I'm gonna take front section of my hair and rolling it together. Rock and roll, Soniye. Voila, we are done with the first look. I just loved it. It looks pataka. Now going with the second hairstyle that is suitable for short haircuts. Now I have used this matrix serum all over my hair, but my end looks very dry, so I have taken few drops of it and I applied it. So for today's hairstyle, I thought to do some straightening. So I'm gonna do some straightening also. For straightening, I'm using this Toni & Guy's heat protecting mist all over my hair. And also making sure that it evenly spreads all over my hair, combing it with my hands and also combing it with comb. Now you guys have seen there is no tangles in between my hair. Now I'm using this Philips straightener. The best way to do straightening is first you place your comb and then straightener. Pull it together. This is the most easiest way to do straightening and in a perfect way. Now this will help to give you the perfect straightening if you place a comb before the straightener. So one of the benefits of short hair is that there will be no tangles in your hair. At the same time, you can do straightening in no time. So one part of my hair is already straightened. So I'm just gonna do a little bit in the ends and that's it. So once I'm done with the first side, then I'm gonna do the other side also. Now you guys can also spot the difference. Now this is a very important part. Now take your front section and make sure that you straighten to upwards. Now this is gonna give you that extreme volume. You guys gonna see it. Look at that. It actually gave me so much volume in the front. So I'm going to do a very basic hairstyle with no efforts. Make sure that you take a middle partition into two sections, comb your hair towards backwards and secure it with a rubber band. Now you guys may think that this looks very simple, but you guys can amp up this look with any jewelry. Now I have placed a Mang Tika in the middle and this looks so gorgeous. I have taken this Funkudis also. I don't know what they're called. I've just taken this cute little bangs and I've just took off my earrings to make it more simple and subtle. So guys, it's time for the third hairstyle. First, I'm separating my front section of my hair, making sure that it separates from the other hair because I'm going to just leaving it for the bangs. Combing my hair towards backwards because I'm going to do a simple braid again. Make sure that the braid should be tight and it should be till the end. By the way, that's me who is making the braid. So once you're done with that, just secure it with a rubber band. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, tell me. So all I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna make a beautiful and a very cute braid bun. I can say, guys, this hairstyle is very safe. People with long hair can save their hair from diyas and crackers. Now all you have to do is secure this bun either with a bobby pin, U-pin or a rubber band. So whatever hair I just saved it before, I'm going to curl it with a straightener. So guys, now I'm going to show you how you can curl your hair with a straightener. Take a little section of your hair, roll it to the straightener and pull it inwards or outwards. But inward doesn't make that difference, but for a dense curls, you should always do it outwards. Look at that, guys, I just rolled it and I'm just pulling it outwards and look at that, it went perfect. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. I just love the way it turned out. We are done, guys, but I just amp up the look with some beautiful jewelry. I have used this ear chains that I got from Amazon. If you didn't check out our Amazon haul, then do check it out. So going with the last hairstyle with no efforts, all you have to do is to side part your hair and make sure that you take your front section little by little and roll it together like rock and roll, I've told you before, and just secure it with a bobby pin or a U-pin, or sorry, U-pin se nahi hoga, guys, just secure it with a tic tac pin and that's it. You don't have to do anything. So I have used a trick here, just tease your front hair to get that nice volume. Now this hairstyle is not only suitable for festivities, but you guys can also try this for college or school. This is the last video of the Diwali series, guys. I hope you like it. Tell us in the comment section that you want something like this more, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, bye bye.